everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with my potholder swap that is going out to my partner. So you guys, I did miss posting 2 videos. I think it was the last 2. So I had so many things going on and I just could not do it. So I wanted to do the what I sent video before I packaged all these up. I was in the process of about to do it, and then I was like, make the video before I forget. So let me go ahead and take this off before I forget that too, because I will forget. So I found so we were supposed to do a potholder swap, and apparently when I only have two main stores, or 2 stores in my area, which is just Walmart and Dollar Tree, and I do have Family Dollar, but I never go to Family Dollar, which I'm actually hoping to go more often there too. So Walmart had plain potholders, not pocket holders, potholders, and ugly colors. Yeah, I didn't like them, so I purchased one there just in case I did not find one at Dollar Tree. Luckily, when I walked into Dollar Tree that same day, I found some cute oven mittens and the pot holders, and I will show you in a minute. So I went ahead and put this on here, and of course I created this a few months ago for Decorate Your Life, and ever since I had made this, I had the idea of using it for the pot holder. So swap. So here it is, and I just went ahead and put that in here. So there you go. And let me show you my pot holder now. Sorry, you guys. Oh, okay. So let me show you the bows. Remember, you guys, this was the first week, I believe, that I created these. Can't even remember. So I do apologize. So those are the bows. So here is my pot holder. I did not find a pocket in the pot holder. So I guess some apparently have a pocket. Mine didn't come with, but when you purchase the pot holder, it came with 2. So I went ahead and did something, and I'll show you in a minute. So isn't that cute, you guys? Oh my gosh, can you guys see? Oh my goodness, look at you guys. So I went ahead and put this trim that Tree from Craft On gifted me. I also put this trim that Tree from Craft On gifted me. This is a flower that Alicia Wagman gifted me a while back ago, and it's been so hard to use this because they are so beautiful. But I went ahead and used that on here. I made this cute little bow right here. Just put the flower on top, and the leaves are from a ribbon that was from Dollar Tree, and I just went ahead and cut it into leaves. And then I had already pre-made this a while back, and I decided to go ahead and hang it in there so it looks cute. And it's just friend spring makes me smile. So then you turn it around, and here is the pocket. So I basically glued on the pocket on here. And then what I did is I went and stuffed all these in here. I don't think I ever shared with you how I ended up creating, like, for this swap. I never showed you guys because, like I said, I missed to post videos. So I went ahead and just put those in here. I found this at Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and put it in here. And then I'm putting a secret gift in here. Oh, this one was, I think, the 2nd week. Which is the tag, the apron tag. So there you go. This is what it looks like, and I'm just sticking this in between anywhere where they can fit. And I decided to package them individually. I could not package them all in one package, so I was like, you know what, just package individually and just stick them in there wherever they can fit. So that's what mine looks like. And isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, I fell in love with it. Anyways, so let me go ahead and show you. I also made her, I have this little box right here. And she sometimes participates, my partner participates in the, oh my gosh, Tea Tuesday, I believe it's called. So I went ahead and put some teas in here. I put a chocolate in here, and then I made a little cup there you go. I did forget the spoon because I just got the spoon. So this is what it looks like. And of course, a lot of these are using, of course, the paper from Decorate Your Life. Okay, and I will link the name of it down on the description below. If you guys are interested in going over, checking it out, go over. And this is another little box that I also created. And then I just put all my little flowers that I made in here and some bows. Even though I gave her bows already, I made some little bows and some flowers in here from extra scraps that I had. And there you go. That is what I am sending my partner. Oh, and oh my gosh, a gem just fell. Ooh, I will look for the little thing right now and put it back in there. And there you go. That's what is in here. And that's it for my swap. I don't think I'm missing anything, so hopefully my partner likes it. I will post this after she receives it, so that way she is surprised. Thank you everybody for taking the time to watch. And of course my partner is Maria Reyes. I didn't want to say it, but she is. I will link her down in the description below. I will actually link everybody that it is in this swap on the description below, so you guys could go over, check it out, and follow along. Again, I'm so sorry, I apologize. This was a swap that was hosted by Tree from Craft On and Marianns from Marianns Crafty Corner. I do apologize for not saying that again earlier, but I don't want to remake this video. So again, thank you, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.